Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add a payment form to your Wix website. This is a great way to collect payments, donations, or service fees directly from your visitors. Let's get started. On the Wix dashboard, we will go to the Sales section to add payments. Under that, you will see Payment and Finances. From here, we just need to click on All Payments. As you can see, there are no payment methods set up yet. To add a payment method, we will click on Manage Payment Methods so we can get everything set up. Here we can see more options. If we want to explore further, we can click here to see more. Once we are here, we just need to connect the payment method we want to use with our Wix site. For example, if we want to use HitPay, we will select this payment option and then click Connect. We just need to log in with our details here and then click Connect to add this payment form to our Wix site. And that's how we add a payment form to a Wix website. With this simple setup, we can securely accept payments and streamline our transactions online.